In this video, we will try to understand the concept of utility. Let us start with the definition. What the definition says? Definition says that the utility is nothing but the one satisfying power of a commodity. Or in the other words, we can say utility refers to the satisfaction or value that an individual derives from consuming a good or a service. Now here one thing we need to remember that utility is entirely a subjective concept. That means how much utility a consumer will derive from a commodity or a service that entirely depends on the person itself. This triggers two concepts. One concept is that the utility differs from person to person and it differs from situation to situation. Now let us first consider that what does it mean by person to person. To understand this, we will use one example. In this example, we will consider a commodity. Here the commodity is cigarette. Now suppose we do have two individuals, individual one who is a smoker. Now for individual one, definitely cigarette will create a lot of satisfaction. So individual will get satisfaction after consuming cigarette. So he will get satisfaction. But if we take the other individual as a non-smoker, means the individual 2 is a non-smoker, then definitely this cigarette will not be able to give any satisfaction to individual 2. So individual 2 will not derive any satisfaction after consuming the same commodity. What is the commodity we considered here? That is cigarette. So we can conclude that the same commodity can have different one satisfying power from one person to the other person. So it differs from person to person. Now we will consider the second situation. What is the second situation says? That the one satisfying power differs from situation to situation. So again here to explain this, we will take help of an example. In this example, we will consider two situations. Situation 1, which is winter, and situation 2, which is summer. So in this case, suppose we are considering an umbrella. So here we have considered umbrella as a product, and we will try to find out that what is the one satisfying power of the umbrella. Here just a small assumption we are taking. In this case only, means in this example only, this is not the generalized assumption, but the case specific assumption is that the umbrella people use only in the summer. So in this case, definitely the one satisfying power of the umbrella will be more in the situation when the sunlight is too much. In the summer, people will use the umbrella. On contrary, the umbrella's one satisfying power will be very less or almost no one satisfying power in the case of winter. So the situation only differed, and the one satisfying power of the same commodity varied. So we can conclude from this analysis or conclude from this example that a commodity's one satisfying power differs from situation to situation.